To start using Apple Pay in India, you will need an iPhone or an Apple Watch. First, make sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS or watchOS installed. Next, you need to check if your bank or credit card issuer supports Apple Pay in India. Many major banks such as HDFC, ICICI, and Axis Bank support Apple Pay, but it is always best to check with your bank to confirm. Once you have confirmed that your bank supports Apple Pay, you can start the setup process. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. You will then be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to verify your identity with your bank. This is a one-time process and is necessary to ensure the security of your transactions. After your card has been verified, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. Once you have agreed, your card will be added to the Wallet app and you can start using Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the terminal. It is also important to note that you should always keep your device and card information secure. Make sure to use a passcode or Face ID to lock your device and never share your card details with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily start using Apple Pay in India and enjoy the convenience and security of contactless payments.